decided to start a new adventure and start a YouTube channel. So with that being said, I get into a lot of different things. One is riding buggies with buddies. Two, I got a race car, LS Fox body, just your run of the mill. Three, my truck. That is also one of those things that I do it for work and very fun as well, and kind of push the limits with that. So today though, on the schedule, we have Andy coming over with his Pro R buggy, and he is disassembling it to get some things powder coated at work. Crazy how big these things are. Alright guys, so Operation Fix AC definitely turned into Operation Fix Exhaust Leaks because it's definitely everywhere. As you can see, I definitely had to cut my old, where is it at? Oh, right there. My AC line because my downpipe was in the way. So we'll get everything squared away and working again. But on the other side, old Andy over here finally got a shock out.
Finally, this is very good for me.
Yes, he's doing good, very good.
Clap to it.
Also a little sketch too. Very good. Well, you definitely never want that. It's not good. Andy, how are these to do?
I don't know, I just pulled off some random wire.
Very good. Alrighty, we got some springage in here. Nice, nice. Let's see. Some of the blue is gonna go away. The bumper's gonna go away. Stickers. Obviously, we could just peel that stuff off. That's minor. Stuff's gonna get painted down there. And then this thing goes and gets a cage very soon. When is it gonna go get a cage? So like April.
2 weekends.
But he's gonna get a cage done on it. He's very indecisive on if he's gonna get doors. So I guess I'm gonna try to be a good friend and talk him into it because
I'm just poor.
because that's what good friends do. And then and then he actually just got his buggy back too because we have a guy who does stuff like this. Gangster looking. Very nice quality. AC. Definitely can't really charge anything when it's not going to go into a vacuum. So replaced this line this morning, made it to the shop, went to go put it under a vacuum. Everything holds now, so that's good. We just need more AC to charge the system, but vacuums are good. Test drove the truck, fixing that exhaust leak definitely helped quite a bit drivability wise. Exhaust leak is more so like a boost leak. Things just ain't gonna run right. So got that all squared away. Drives much better, as you can see earlier in the video. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps this video up. Successful weekend, successful video. Got the truck fixed, got what I wanted to done on it. Probably could use a trans service as well, but minor details. Andy got parts on his buggy and is able to come pick it up sometime this week, take it home. So that's a win in his book as well, until he gets a cage done. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Always down to do some shenanigans sometimes. So yeah, just stay tuned. Thank you.